Okay, this is the hurricane cocktail. Let's check this out, okay? So, ice in our glass. Come behind with rum. Follow up with some lime juice. Simple syrup. Passion fruit juice. Some orange juice. Beautiful. And then we have some dark rum. Okay, all right. A little bit of grenadine. So what we did with this hurricane, rather than build it in the glass, we shook everything together to give it like a, mix everything up so it's not mixing in your glass. But typically the way they make it, they put each ingredient in a glass like this, so it's all separated. But for this one, it's mixed, which is why this might look different from some of the traditional hurricanes that you've seen out there, all right? And there you have it. The hurricane is a delicious drink, all right? Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy. See that? I'm loving it. Ooh, tipsybartender.com. Check us out.